Hey, this is Dr. Fryer. Today's May 3rd, 2021, and I want to just show you really quickly how you can set the permissions for a file you'd like to share on your blog or somewhere else that'll be open and not require a login using Google Drive here on an iPad. So I'm going to tap here on this file, this MP3 audio file, and if you double tap it, it will try to open it up, but you actually don't need it to open. What you want to do is tap there in the corner on the three dots, and you want to choose Share. When you do that, you can choose down here to change the link. And instead of just having it restricted to our school, if you want anyone who has the link to be able to open it, you can just go ahead and change that at the bottom to anyone with the link. And then go ahead and tap Copy Link. Now that link to your file, which is going to be accessible by other people, that link is now on your clipboard. And so you can go to your Write About blog, or you can go wherever you need to go. I can get the Write About website to come up, and then you can just paste it in. So you're going to sign in and go ahead and paste it, and that is going to be the file, or the way that you can get to that. Now you can also tap on it, and then there is a little link up here at the top. It looks like a gear, and you can click that. That will also immediately bring up the same menu. But again, make sure that you have the sharing changed to where it's anyone with a link, and then you copy that. That's the link that you want to use. I hope that's helpful to you.